This is going over W6's channel. And today, I'm going to be posting my first tornado siren one. This is the app. If you want this app, it's called Air Raid Siren. So, let's do our first one. First one I want to do is what our warning will sound like, just because I think it might sound pretty cool. When is this thing in? Let's just hit the X button. Now I'm gonna do what your siren might sound like. Or if this is what your tornado siren sounds like, this might sound a little weird though. That is a tornado siren. That's crazy. Now let's do let me think. There's a lot here. If you want to know what a bomb sounds like, this is what it sounds like. Right? And something like that. Or this. And if that's a tornado siren, I am very surprised. If this is a tornado siren, that's what a tornado siren sounds like. That is crazy. What about this one? That has a million weird words. Okay, that sounds like a warning. Is that a warning? I can't tell. Is that just a practice? Just turn your sound all the way up. If you want it to be realistic. Okay? Turn your sound all the way up if you want it to be realistic. And again, this is Air Raid Siren. It's free, and I think it's a pretty cool game if you're interested in listening to tornado sirens. I've never hit this button before, so let's hit it. Let's play all the warnings. this. This is our warning. Or probably Model 2 outside. Okay. Definitely practice, right? Let's do our practice. I'm not talking about you, whoever's watching. I'm talking about just my daddy. Oh, I got up early. Oh, wow. And so I'm still waking up. So that's all.